Blueberry. Hi everybody, welcome back to Blueberry Imagination Station. No, Eli's Imagination Station. And today we are doing part 2 of the Melting Kids of America 2005 snowman. We glued the square gear. I think we glued that one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we glued it last night. The gear is round, but the post is square where it goes in. So now we gotta see if it's gonna work.
If you guys are wondering what the blueberry mask is from, it was not from a blueberry cereal box. It was actually from yogurt that they made in 2022.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but they just had them that one year that I know of. I don't think they had Count Chocula though. I just remember blueberry and frankenberry. Yeah, can I see it spin? Oh yeah, it just keeps on going.
It'll stop in this one.
It's weird that it does that.
Mm-hmm. Hoping I got the gears right.
Want me to push the button?
Yeah, go ahead.
Working good.
Still, like, tries to keep going at the bottom here.
Yeah. I figured that would stop when it stopped trying to keep going up when it's already up all the way.
Yeah.
But it's not. It keeps stopping at the right time as it goes up. That's why I was thinking like that little black switch burned down or something, because what that does is...
Yeah, it stops it from going up.
Yes.
But that part's working.
Yeah, but
something's not telling it that it's down all the way.
Maybe there's another relay switch inside.
Oh, wait a minute.
What?
I wonder if that... Is that... No, it's open. I thought maybe if the switch was stuck closed.
If you guys don't remember...
Go give me that little flashlight magnifying glass that I got in there, please.
Flashlight man?
The little flat one? The new one that we got?
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
And if you guys don't remember, or if you guys haven't seen the last video, which you should go and see before this one, if you want to watch the full repair. I don't know if this will be the last one yet or not. Hopefully it will.
Hopefully.
But yeah, so if you guys don't remember, I got it at Goodwill for $3.99 a while back. I got it a little after my birthday, I think. And guys, we might have either sometime this week, hopefully, there should be a bunch of new videos on my channel. And since last night, since I have gotten so much stuff since the last repair video, I just brought down a few things that I've gotten over the months.
It's not that.
To show you guys. So, first I'm gonna show you guys this big yellow cat plush pillow. I got this for, it was $3, but we got it for $100. No, $1.
$1.
It kind of looks like $100.
It does.
But yeah, I really like the way he feels. He's pretty stiff. He doesn't really move a whole lot anywhere when you shake him around. I mean, except for this thing, but that's just the price tag that she put on there. The only thing that really moves on him when you shake him around is the tail, because there's a little gap of stuffing right there. At least on mine, because originally these were like a little flat thing that you would cut out, put stuffing in, and sew. I don't know if this is a character from something or if this is just a little, or not so little yellow cat. He just got soulless eyes.
He's got no eyes, really.
I mean, he has eyes, there's just no pupils in them. But yeah, we got that at an estate sale. That's actually, remember guys, if you guys watched the part 1 for this repair, if you guys remember, we said we got the Mario Kart Wii game at an estate sale. That's the same one that we got that at. So we got this and the Mario Kart Wii DVD game.
Where are those from?
Huh?
No, they're out of here. Okay. I had 2 extra screws. I wasn't sure where they went.
Jeez,
They're
I
from
didn't
the motor.
realize that I had 2 things that I brought down here from the estate sale thing. I also got this piggy bank. I'm not sure what it's made of. Is that like ceramic or?
Yeah, like a ceramic, maybe a clay even. Might just be made of clay.
Maybe. I was thinking maybe porcelain, maybe, but
I don't think it's porcelain.
feels too smooth. Although down here it doesn't. Feels kind of like that. And his cork is made out of like a rubber. It says made in Taiwan. He's got little blue overalls and little, I don't know what that thing's called. A wild corn dog.
It looks like maybe a corn.
He's eating a wild corn dog. Like we saw at the zoo the other day.
Oh yeah,
It's called a cattail.
the cattail.
There are multiples of them. And he is a piggy bank. So here's the little slot on the top where you put your coins in, and then when you want to... I touched something.
Yeah.
There's probably something on this. Or it was probably this because I was kind of...
Yeah, it could have been that. Yeah.
I remember those things always used to like get like black ink would come out of them. And then we got this at the state fair, I think. Oh, you gonna test them?
No, I'm gonna finish putting them together.
So if you guys don't know, I'm sure you guys do know what Labubus are, but lately we've been seeing lots of fake Lafufus. And this one wasn't even in a box, they were just selling these, but this is the rare one for the Coca-Cola ones, but they just had a bunch of these. There were a bunch of different colors, and I chose the brown one because that's the color that the real one is. As you can see, his face is kind of crooked. And his hands can turn, and so... Ow!
The bottom fall off.
Yeah, this comes off. But yeah, and his feet turn. There's the little black thing. It is...
Let's test them.
and then the motor keeps running for.
I don't know why. It wasn't doing that before. Then it stops.
Yeah, that's weird.
There's supposed to be. There's no other switch in there, but there must be something that's supposed to tell it to turn off. That's not telling it to turn off early enough.
Yeah, and there.
Either way, it seems to be working.
There is a sitting down soft brown labubu, or in this case lafufu, that exists, and they just put that and glued it in here because I actually just noticed this morning that it has a tag on the butt that was cut off.
Oh, really?
So this was just a regular fake originally, and then they made the little rising mechanism and they just glued it in at the bottom and glued the ears in. And also for some reason, this little piece right here comes off.
Yeah, the little tab.
I remember it was missing originally, so we had to take.
Took
The
it off
guy
a
had
different
to
one.
take one off a different one. I believe it was $20. I think.
Yeah, I believe so.
When you look at his face from like far up, he looks so disappointed at you. Oh, there's Grandpa Snowman again.
Yeah. It popped in.
Hopefully when he's in there, those wires that you keep have to pull him out of the way when he's going up and down don't get stuck in the motor. Hopefully he will. I guess let's find out. Now, last time when we got the fabric on,
You messed up.
rised up all the way. Again with the arm going up for some reason. I don't know why it's doing that. I think it's the wire that's in the button. We'll definitely have to glue the mouth in or sew it in or something. You can see it extending farther into his chin.
Oh, great. Looks like the sun's coming out. Oh, no! I'm melting! I'm melting! I'm melting!
So the fabric actually is still going.
Yeah, he goes for a little bit and then it stops. Alright, I think
So he might not have been in his shortest position before we took him apart because
he wasn't, definitely.
Even in his shortest position though, he's still pretty tall.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some more stuff. I don't remember where I saw it. Oh yeah, I got this at Junklahoma, which we have that video coming up soon too. If I can find it, that one might not even be on my phone anymore, to be honest.
Oklahoma.
Yeah, showing all the stuff we got. It's this little clown doll. His hands and his head are made out of porcelain, and the inside of his hat is like stuffing, and then the inside of the body is like a foam, like squishy foam. Kind of feels kind of like the foam in the Teddy Ruxpin and stuff. And he has a rod in the middle of his body to keep him up. And he's got posable wires in the hands and the legs. The buttons are just regular plastic yellow buttons. And his shoes are like a very smooth wood. And he's got like hair, little, I don't know what this thing's called.
Stop that.
Little vest. And yellow pants. These are all just fabric. But yeah, I actually think she just gave me this for free. I think she just
She
let
might
me.
have, yeah.
I think it was either this one or the Christmas Raggedy Andy. We got those both at the same booth. One of them we bought, I think, for cheaper, and one of them we got for free.
There we go.
Winter is here again.
Now the line's not pulling.
Yep, let's go.
He's pretty tall.
Look at the show. We're riding in the one.
He is pretty tall.
Hey, can you turn him so the camera can see?
Just holding your hand. We're riding along to the song of Winter Fairyland. Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy cozy
Got
are
little
we.
feet under there.
We're snuggled
What?
I said it's got little feet under there.
Yeah.
Can barely see them though.
Let's take a rosy forward, sing a chorus or two. Come on and slowly by the forward sleigh ride together with you. Oh, great. Looks like the sun's coming out. Oh, no. I'm melting. I'm melting. I'm melting.
Yeah, he could
So
see
we got
when.
the arm fixed. So now all I gotta do is glue that mouth.
Yeah. Which that would probably be really hard.
I still have this in there.
Oh, the light.
Mm-hmm.
Because
I was looking at to reroute the mouth.
If
So
we
I'm
didn't
not
have-
sure how I'm gonna glue that. I might have to cut it open and stitch it.
we could just. Yeah, we could just sew the mouth on.
Well, there's no way to, because it's plastic. But I might have to like cut open his mouth in order to get to it, because I can't get to the mouth material part from the bottom. I don't think he'll turn, unless he'll turn inside out.
Which I think we did that when we were getting them apart.
Not completely.
And I remember you saying last night that it's made to kind of compact.
Yeah, it's made to compact, so that made it easier to get to the stuff, but I don't know if it's going to be enough to.
I think at first I thought this was Garfield when I saw it from afar. And I've got one, or actually two more things. I didn't get
I don't think
these.
so, Bo. I don't think we're going to be able to get to the mouth from there.
Yeah, even if we can get to it, it'd be really hard to glue.
Yeah, so we'll probably have to try strap him down, and then I'll have to we'll cut like the front of his lip.
That would probably hurt.
If he was real, yeah.
He is real.
If he was alive.
He is alive.
All right,
How else would he be
tie
able to
straps.
sing a very, very catchy song? Very, very catchy version of a song. So I didn't get these, I actually made these. These are some of my characters. The one-eyed banana and the little green guy. Which I actually have a little green guy, a custom little green guy and blobby alpaca fur felted plushies of those characters. So you guys might be seeing that stuff soon. I think you guys have seen my one-eyed banana plush. Just in case, I'm gonna go get it really quick because I know this video is gonna be posted right after this.
I don't know if this one's going to be big enough or not. Big 20-inch one. We'll see.
Yeah, so here's my needle felted one-eyed banana that we bought.
Mm-hmm. Those are the big ones.
Big tie strap.
Mm-hmm.
I remember multiple times we've had to connect two tie straps.
Yeah, that's
Before we
before
got
we bought these big ones. Yeah, we used to have to put like two of the 8-inch ones together, or even the 11-inch ones. But these I think are like 20, maybe 16. I think they're 20-inch.
And also, I like putting these two together. This is a little 3D printed frog I found around Halloween time or fall time at got a little booty at Walmart by the Halloween snack cakes. And he's actually 3D printed. So I think he looks kind of good next to the lime banana. But yeah, it's just a little.
You got that little frog at Walmart?
Yeah, I found it at Walmart.
Oh.
This little frog.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just found it at Walmart. It's a little 3D printed frog.
Yeah.
Even got a little booty.
There.
But yeah, so it's just a cool little custom. There's a little piece of the tie strap right here.
That was a piece of the busted gear.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Did
Okay.
feel a little too thick to be tie strap.
So now he has a seam right on the middle of his lip,
Yeah, because it's
or the middle of his chin, I should say. I have my little kit in here.
the black and the.
I'm gonna go get the little seam ripper.
Yeah, it's because the white and the black are two different colors, so that's why they're seams. But yeah, I don't remember. I don't know how much this was, but there's a person at the Santa Market every year that does needle felt stuff with alpaca fur, and she has the option to like contact her, and she can make whatever you request. And last year I requested my character from like 5-6 years ago, the one-eyed banana, in his most recent design. He's gone through lots of changes. And I think he has a posable wire in it. Yeah, he does.
Yeah, she might put a wire in there
By any chance, do you know how much this was? The one
Oh, no. I don't remember how much she charges for it. Not very much.
I know that she usually sells them to us for cheaper.
Yeah, she.
Because we get ever since we saw her booth, we've gotten at least one thing from her every year.
Yeah, I usually get a few.
I think the first year was the only year that I got only one thing. Well, actually, no. The first 2 years I got just one thing. First year I got Molly.
Yeah.
The mole with little gold glasses, and second year I got Jasmine, the little skunk.
Oh yeah.
And the third year was the first year I got multiple. I got the gnome and the little hamster mouse thing. I think it was a hamster.
Yeah, with the little accessories.
No, it didn't have accessories.
Which one's the one that had the accessories with it?
The construction beaver.
Always a beaver.
He has
Yeah.
a little coffee pod as the construction hat, and he had a little box of tools.
Yep.
With little miniature tools. Those parts weren't made out of.
Yeah, those are probably 3D printed, or just plastic
Yeah, they were
toy
just
things.
plastic toys. Well, the hat was a coffee pod,
Oh yeah.
and his hands and
Okay, let's see if that gets us in there
and
good
his
enough.
teeth were like clay.
Oh yeah, that'll work. There's the mouth.
Pick up the camera and show them what that looks like.
You see down in there? There's the
so
mouth. We'll put
that's
some glue right in here
the mouth mechanism. The reason we're cutting it open is so we can
so we can glue it.
glue it back. I'm really excited to see my blobby and little green guy. It's gonna be in only like a week or two or something, right?
Couple weeks, yeah. Yeah, it's harder and harder to get off.
How many days is it until that?
I don't know exactly what it is.
Oh my god, you're getting out the big guns.
I think it's, let's see, next week is, it's not next week. It's the 22nd. I don't know what the day is today. I can't get that thing done. bottom of it's unscrewing. The bottom, this piece is unscrewing.
That piece not supposed to unscrew?
No, just the top is. So I'm trying to hold that piece on and get this piece unscrewed. There it goes.
That's the problem with glue.
It's
Is sometimes
stuck more and more.
That's the problem with glue, is that a lot of the times the cap gets glued on.
Mm-hmm.
That is glue.
Yep, this is super glue.
Hopefully you won't be able to see the glue through the fabric.
Yeah, we shouldn't. It already had some on there pretty thick, so we're putting this on top of the old glue.
I remember you saying that one of the jaws had like a sleeve.
Yeah, it's the top one.
Top one, so
Kinda
we won't
fits in
need
a
to,
little bit of
we
a
won't need to
sleeve.
glue that one.
Yeah, just the bottom one's all we should need to glue. Alright, I'm just gonna hold it on there for a little bit.
If you guys are wondering what the music is in the background, it's Christmas music.
Here it is.
What the heck? Why does he have a screwdriver in his mouth?
That's holding the material from his mouth up tight against the plastic.
I just... If that's going to be the last position that he's sitting in, that's going to have to be the thumbnail.
We'll stitch him up real quick.
I just look away for 1 second, and he's just laying there, you're gluing it on, and then I look away for a second, and then I look back over, and he's got a screwdriver in his mouth.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what flavor that screwdriver is. Maybe it's green apple or
Yeah,
lime.
or lime, yeah.
Maybe it's key lime pie
Maybe.
or caramel apple. What the heck?
It's the Grinch. You know what that song is.
I know, I was just confused because it started at like the middle of the song, but it's like a commercial or something.
Yep.
I didn't really think we had commercials. Uh-oh.
Screwdriver fell out, that's all.
He's no longer eating the screwdriver.
Nope.
He spat it out. Here we go. Off the ground I go. What song are they playing now?
I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas.
From Bing Crosby. I didn't know Bing Crosby turned into a piano. Now he can only speak piano noises.
I guess so. It's called an instrumental.
Yeah, an instrumental is either a song with just music and no words, or the background music of the singing.
Mm-hmm.
That can also be a word.
Yeah, it can just, sometimes it's just the song, but no words.
But that's also with what?
Some instrumentals don't have any words, they're just music.
Yeah. I still think this one I've been in is so cool.
It is.
It's a good thing that there's opposable wire so you can. stay up super well. In fact, it doesn't stay up at all.
Well, unless you have them on that plate.
Yeah.
Then he kind of stands up. Okay. Should put the Velcro on the bottom of them.
Yeah. Maybe at some point I could put like open up this bottom part and put like a heavy weight at the bottom, so that way even when he's not on the stand, he can still stand up.
Yeah, like the toys that have like a beanbag bottom.
Yeah, or a beanbag, that'd be cool. Like a beanie baby.
Mm-hmm.
Velcro's not on the bottom anymore.
Oh, it's not.
No, because I mean the Velcro
It kept sticking to everything.
Yeah, and the Velcro was blue, so it just kind of looked out of place. So I just took it off. I could still have him set on the plate if I wanted. If he could stand up on his own, I would just have to take the Velcro off because the Velcro also sticks to this stuff, which pulls the strings out.
Nice.
This is the version of the song that was in the Bunny the Elf. Or Elf. I think it's weird that that movie is just called Elf instead of Buddy the Elf.
Well, that's just his name. It's called Elf.
Yeah, but
His name is just Buddy. Alright, almost. Tight
But
down.
will this, since the glue still has to dry, does that mean we'll have to have a part 3?
And we'll see if it'll work.
Because we can't test it until the glue's dry.
And when it's on material like that, it usually catches pretty quick or dries pretty quick. It's not like two pieces of plastic being put together. It's
We should have put like a rod or something in his nose because it's all crooked.
not all carrots are straight.
Yeah. But I can tell that that one was made to be. Or maybe just a little more stuffing in it.
I don't know if it even has stuffing in the nose.
Not at the tip. That's why it's all crooked. He's got a crooked nose. Doesn't Grandma have a crooked nose?
I don't know. Does she?
I think I remember her saying that when she was a kid, she fell when she was ice skating.
Oh, maybe.
I kind of remember.
They messed their nose up.
I don't remember if that's true or not. That was just kind of speaking to me when I said that.
There.
Let me see how it looks.
Bad?
That looks good. You can definitely feel it though.
Yeah, you can feel the scar.
Feel the scar. Should we open the mouth really quick and see if it feels wet still?
Well, you couldn't feel it from in here. Let's try to see if it's.
Push down.
Oh, yeah.
See, this like the tip is doesn't have a whole lot of stuffing.
How's that?
There we go. Get this. Oh yeah,
Yeah, I just forced some stuffing up there. All right, let's try them.
please work.
Hi, winter is here again.
Oh, yeah, it works.
Nice to meet you. Let's go, let's look at the show. We're riding in the wonderland of snow. Giddy up, it's grand, just holding your hand. We're riding along with the song of a winter fairyland. Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy cozy are we. We're snuggled up together
think it's good.
Mm-hmm. The only problem really with it now is that it doesn't stop going down.
It does, it will. See?
Oh, he shook a little bit at the end when it stopped.
It just runs for a little bit and then it stops. There you go.
So we got him fixed.
Yeah.
Another successful repair.
36 minutes, so just over 2 hours.
Well, thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. You know which one we're going to do next? You have to decide.
Yeah.
All right. A successful one. That's a good one to start back up with.
I was not super hopeful we'd be able to get the rising up and down mechanism working because I've heard it's very faulty.
It is.
Because it has like 2 tracks.
Mm-hmm.
Is that why it was so like faulty?
Yeah, that's why it wasn't going up, because that's not a really good design, but we got it to work.
Fix his hat so there's not too many dents in it.
Yeah.
Now that he's
We could always, if you wanted, at some point, we could open it up a little bit and fill it with stuffing.
Yeah, maybe.
If you wanted it to be full. But I think it's okay.
Okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye.